Using Lasso Trim, you can quickly draw some geometry in Sculpt mode. All you need is an object like the default cube. In Sculpt mode, click on the Box Trim tool and select Lasso Trim. The Trim mode join quickly creates new geometry. To set the thickness or depth of the created geometry, you can use the cursor radius. In Object mode, we can add a remesh modifier and then a displace modifier to shrink or inflate the geometry. To make it more blobby, add a smooth modifier and increase its value. Then add another remesh modifier and enable smooth shading. Now you can quickly sketch some 3D blobs.